Hi everyone, in this video we would like to take demonstration on how to add images to JavaFX button and its event handling. For this program demonstration, let us take 6 buttons. The first button refers YouTube button, that means YouTube image is added to button. The second button is phone pay button, that means phone pay image is added to the button. Third button is Microsoft Teams button, that means uh, Microsoft Teams image is added to button. Fourth button is WhatsApp button, that means WhatsApp image is added to button. Next Gmail button, image is added to button. Third button is power off button, power off image is added to button. So in this program we will create 6 buttons and the respective 6 buttons added with respect to images. Then after we will add these buttons to flow pane. After that we will define the event handling for each and every button. Let us open a new file. We'll save the file as image button fxdemo.java. Save the file as image fxbutton.java. Java source file. Save it. Now import all packages. Import JavaFX.stage application. Import JavaFX.stage. Next import scene package, layout package, control package, image package, event package and geometry package. Let's import all packages. Import JavaFX.scene.control. Then import JavaFX.scene.layout. Next import JavaFX.scene.image. Next import JavaFX.geometry. Next import JavaFX.event. So this is the way all packages are imported, all necessary packages are imported. Now define public class image button fxdemo extends application. Let us declare the 6 images references: image I1, I2, I3, I4, I5, I6, 6 image references, 6 image view references, image view IV1, IV2, IV3, IV4, IV5, IV6. Then go for creating 6 buttons. Button B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6. So here button references are declared. Buttons are created in init method. Declare one label, label L. Next go for declaring flow pane reference, flow pane FP. Then take scene reference S. Now this is the way the important controls and components required for this application we declared here. Now we'll go for defining the init method for creating all controls. Take the prompt message as usual, system.out.println from init method. Next, create 6 image references. I1 is equal to new image. So for 6 images, uh, YouTube, PhonePe, Microsoft, WhatsApp, Gmail, and PowerOff. These images already available in my images folder, like PhonePe image, PhonePe JPG image, PowerOff image, Gmail image, WhatsApp image, Team Teams image, and YouTube JPG image. These images I am using in my program. So before compiling and executing the program, I must ensure these images to be located in my folder or not. I am ensuring that. Now I would like to go for um, demonstrating the program again. So from images folder, images, youtube.jpg, then the size of the image I am taking as 50, 50, width 50, height 50, then true, comma true. This refers the preserve ratio and smooth for image enhancement. So instead of taking the uh, image creation statement again and again, I would like to paste the 6 image creation statement for I1 to I6. I will take it as I2, I3, I4, I5, I6. So here we'll change the name of the image. For second one, phone pay. Third one, Teams. So through which name the image is stored in the respective images folder, the same name would like to consider. Otherwise, the program is not executed. Image is not displayed. Gmail, power off. So YouTube, PhonePe, Teams, WhatsApp. So my image is stored with WhatsApp. WhatsApp, Gmail, power off. Let us again verify that. WhatsApp, power off. Like so. After then, go for creating image view object. IV1 is equal to new image view of I1, adding images to image views. So instead of typing again, we'll copy this 6 image view objects. So let us take it as IV2, V3, V4, V5, V6. So for the first one, uh, YouTube image, for the IV2, PhonePe image, for the IV3, Teams image, for the IV4, WhatsApp image, for the IV5, Gmail image, for the IV6, power of image. So this is the way all image views are created. Now we'll go for creating buttons. Button B1 is equal to new button. Then we'll take the YouTube image label message as text message as edutainment. So this text message we are taking, and for this YouTube image view object is added. So in the same way, we'll go for creating 6 buttons. B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6. Let us take B2, B3, B4, B5, B6. So the second button is IV2 phone pay. We'll give the name as money and money. That is IV2. Next we'll give the for the third one we'll give the name as connects visually. IV3 for the Teams button. For the fourth one we'll take Facebook Postman. So just for fun we are taking these different names for IV4 WhatsApp, and for the fifth one we'll take Google Piggy. For IV5, and for the sixth one take rest. So the sixth button is a power off button. When you are clicking that completely application is closed. From that B6 button event handling will call platform.exist for closing the JavaFX application. So this is the way 6 buttons are created. Now we'll control how to where the image is displayed on the button and where the text message is displayed. For that we'll call the set content display method from button object. Okay, so from this program we'll control the text message displaying and image displaying as image displayed top and text message displayed at bottom. So that's why we'll call content display dot top. So by calling this constant, the text message is displayed at bottom and image is displayed at the top. For everyone, we'll set the image displaying like this. So that's why we are copying B5 basics. So take it as B2, B3, B4, B5 and B6. So for all we are setting text message at bottom, image is displayed at top. So this is the way we created image objects, and images are added to image views, and image views are added to buttons, and image is displayed at the top of the every button. Now we'll go with the creation of label control. Label L is equal to new label. Click on app. Next, create a flow pane object. FP is equal to new flow pane. Set the space on every button and label as 20 and 20 pixels. So that's why I'm specifying width and height as 20, 20. Then add these buttons and labels to the flow pane observable list. For getting observable list, call the fp.getChildren method, call add all. So add the buttons B1, B2, B3, B4, B5 and B6, 6 buttons. Then add the label. So 6 buttons and labels are added. Next, call the set alignment method. pos.center. We are displaying all buttons and respect to label at the center of the JavaFX. Next, sets s is equal to create the scene object creation will call from start method. Now I would like to close the init method. Next we'll go for defining start method, stage st, throws exception. So here we define the event handling for all buttons. system.out.println from start method. Next, set the event handling by registering event on the button B1 by calling set an action method. So we will handle event handling with lambda expressions. Lambda expressions are very simple to use, so that's why we are using lambda expressions. Lambda expression event handling that action event object as AE, then define lambda expression like this, then call the set text message as YouTube button pressed. So when B1 button is pressed, on the respective label YouTube button pressed message displayed. Next, go with closing of lambda expression, closing of set an action method. So this is the way we define. In the same way, define event handling for all buttons. So instead of typing again, I am copying and pasting for 6 buttons. Just we change the uh, button object as B2 and text message here as second one phone pay, and button B3 and change the text message as Microsoft Teams app, Teams button pressed. Next, change button B4 and set an action method defining lambda expression with WhatsApp button pressed. Next, button B5, set an action called the and lambda expression with the displaying label text message Gmail button pressed. Button B6, calling set an action method and event handling lambda expression AE respective label changed with take rest button pressed. Okay, so this is the way we are defining event handling for all buttons for B1, B2, B3, B4, B5 and B6. The event handling is registered with the calling of set an action method. The event handling mechanism called from the argument of set an action method by defining lambda expression. Already we know that there are three different techniques are available for defining event handling. First is anonymous inner classes, second one is lambda expressions, and third one is method references. So defining anonymous inner classes are somehow difficult, and how to handle anonymous inner classes we already how to handle event handling with anonymous inner classes we already demonstrated in previous videos. For that understanding, you watch the previous video of button event handling with the anonymous inner classes. So this is the way for 6 buttons event handling is defined. Next, we'll go for creating scene object. S is equal to new scene of flow pen comma 500 comma 500. Then set the title. Set title. We'll set the title as these are my favorite apps. So that's why I'm taking title as my favorite apps. Then call the show method from stage object. So almost the application development is completed. We close the start method. Next, we'll define the main method. Definition of main method is completely optional. Already we know that. Public static void main string args. So call the launch method, launch of args. So save the main method and close the. We add scene to stage st dot set scene of scene object. We forgotten that. Let's we compile again. Yes. So all buttons are added to the JavaFX scene. You click on YouTube button. YouTube button, press the message displayed. When we click on PhonePe button, PhonePe button press the message displayed. When we click on Teams button, connects visually. The label of the text message on Teams we took as a connects visually. That message displayed. When we click on WhatsApp button, WhatsApp button pressed image displayed, the message displayed. When you click on Gmail button, Gmail message displayed. Gmail button pressed message displayed on the label. Then when we click on take rest, the application is closed. Take rest button pressed message displayed. So let us change the code to exit from the scene. We'll call the platform.exit. Save this and compile the program again. Okay. So when you click on YouTube button pressed message displayed on label. When you click on PhonePe button pressed in the label, and all remaining. When you click on take rest, application is closed. So this is the way. So in this way, we created images, and images are added to image views. Image views are added to button objects, and the text message is displayed at bottom, and image is displayed at the top from the execution. Again we see the text message displayed at the bottom, and that respective image on the button is displayed at the top for all buttons. So that is also we controlled. And next, respect to event handling, we called with on each button we called with lambda expression. So that's why when button respective button is pressed, the event is handled by displaying message on the label. So this is the way we demonstrated the how to add images. We demonstrated how to add images to buttons and respect to button event handling. Thank you for watching my video, and in the next video, we would like to go for demonstrating toggle button and toggle button demonstration program. Thank you for watching this video.